In a quiet village of Yogyakarta, hands begin to weave the morning's harvested banana fibers.
Hey, what are you reading?
Oh, just a novel. Did you finish your work?
Yeah, just wrapped up. That mirror looks amazing, doesn't it?
It really does.
Wow. This looks like something from a design magazine.
It's from Palem craft, handmade in Jogja, Indonesia.
Really, it feels alive.
It's beautiful. Where did you get it?
It was made by a mother in a small Indonesian village.
With her own hands.
Seriously.
Palem Craft trains women to turn nature into art.
From local hands to global homes. From natural's waste to timeless design. This is Palem Craft.
Every beat tells a story, every melody